Hello friends, myself Professor Suvarna Jadhav from KK Wag Arts, Commerce, Science and Computer Science College, Bhausaheb Nagar. My subject is Industrial Chemistry. Today I will explain classification of dyes. Classification of dyes. There are various classification around dyes. Dyes, as stated earlier, can be obtained from natural sources such as vegetable matter, mineral, or insects, or are manufactured in the factory from petrochemical feedstock. It may, however, be recalled that the first synthetic dyes by Perkin was made from a coal tar. Among natural dyes, indigo is well known for its brilliant blue color and was obtained by fermenting the leaves of a plant. The red colored lac dye is extracted from lac, a resinous protective secretion of a tiny insect. Synthetic dyes. The synthetic dyes listed in a chart now briefly described. The synthetic dyes is divided into first direct dyes. The direct dyes, it is a very cheap and easy to apply but the poor fastness quality. Then this direct dye is also known as a salt dyes or cotton colors, which dyes cotton, other vegetables, fiber, and viscose rayon. These dyes are soluble in water. Color of cotton fabrics with direct dyes are not fast. They are applied to cellulose fibers from aqueous liquor in which the electrolyte is added, which is usually sodium chloride. Is it accelerated the rate at which dye is picked up by the fiber. They generally bleed to make them fast fabrics. Add sodium bicarbonate for warm colors and copper sulfate for cool colors. The next point, acid dyes. Acid dyes are soluble in water and applied it is under acidic conditions. This acidic dye stuff is mostly used for wood and silk and to a less extent nylon and acrylic fiber. The maximum quantity of dye absorbed depends on the amount of H2SO4 present in the bath. Acidic dyes are inexpensive dye. They are fast to light but they are not fast to washing. The next is a wet dye. These wet dye are insoluble in water but soluble in use of strong reducing agent such as sodium hydrosulfide dissolved in sodium hydroxide. This dye is a fastest dye for cotton, then and rayon. They also may be applied to wool, nylon, polyester, etc. Wet dyes are hot water dyes. Hot water dyes are available in both powder and liquid form. The first synthetic wet dye was an indigo created in 1879. Wet dyes are expensive because of the initial cost as well as the method of application. Azoic colors. The azoic colors are applied to the cotton in two stages. First, treatment of naphthol and second, treatment of the naphtholated material with diazotized base or diazotized salt. The color development takes place in stew by the coupling reaction between naphthol and diazo component. They are quite fast washing and have poor to excellent light fastness. Azoic colors are used mostly on cotton and for special purpose on nylon. Azoic colors are sometimes referred to as ice dyes because ice is frequently used to bring the dyes to low temperature. Azoic colors give bright, high intensity colors much more so than the common